What if I told you you can create baby dancing videos like this with your smartphone? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create something amazing like this, because this type of videos are going viral right now on TikTok. A lot of people are getting massive views, millions of views right now by just creating videos like this. You can use any celebrity and create videos like this. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create something like this using your smartphone and your internet connection, and that is it. That is all you need to start creating amazing videos like this. So now let me take you guys to my phone screen and show you how you can create something like this from beginning to the end. And don't forget to also subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you'll be getting latest updates like this. Now let's get started. Now, to create that kind of amazing video, the next thing you need to do is to enter into your TikTok account and you search for baby dance. You search for baby dance, so that you are going to see the type of image video you want to create. Now, for example, we want to create this type of video here. This video you are seeing here, we want to create this type of video. Let me play the video. Sorry, my network is very bad. That is why it's not showing. Now, the next thing we are going to do is to wait for, if the baby is set to, we'll take a screenshot. We'll take a screenshot of the baby. Now, after taking the screenshot of the baby, the next thing you are going to do is to head over to ChatGPT. You can see different type of dance, anyone you like, you can choose anyone you like, you want to create, you can choose anyone. But I just choose this first one so that we'll not waste much of our time. You can even choose male. As you can see different type of male here. You can choose even this one. Now, the next thing we are going to do is to head over to ChatGPT. Now, let me show you how you are going to access ChatGPT. You can go to your Google Play Store or your Apple Store and you go and download this app, ChatGPT. You can see this is the app here. It's telling me to update, but I don't want to update right now. This is the app. Then you can install the application on your phone. Now, after you install the application on your phone, you open the app. Now, when you open the app, the next thing you are going to do is to click on this plus icon here. When you click on this plus icon, you click on photos, and when you click on photos, the next thing you are going to do, you upload that image you just created. You just take a screenshot, you upload that image. Now, after you upload the image, make sure you write this prompt I will be showing you right now. I want us to write the prompt together. Now, this is the kind of prompt you should write. Provide a 3D pixel style animated image prompt to use in creating the reference image. Ignore any text showing on the scene and place them in a street background. Make sure you write this prompt. If you need this prompt, I'm going to leave it in my Telegram channel, and the link to my Telegram channel is going to be in the description of this video. Now, after you write this prompt, the next thing you are going to do is to click on continue. Now, when you click on continue, you just give it a time and it's going to generate the prompt for you. Now, as you can see, it's generating the whole full prompt for us right now. So you are seeing it. You can decide to change the outfit or some things. If you decided to do that, you can also decide to change it. But right now, the next thing we are going to do, we can also ask ChatGPT to generate the image for us using the prompt. But I will not be using ChatGPT. I will be using another AI tool. You can use Google Gemini. You can use any AI tool of your choice to generate this type of image. So let's click on copy. Now, I'll be using this AI to call Wave AI to generate the image. Let me show you how to do that. I'm going to be using this AI tool to generate our image. So if today is the first time you are coming across this channel and you have not heard about this AI tool, you can go to Google and you go and search for this AI tool and you are going to see it. You log in, and when you log in, you register. And when you register, the next thing you are going to do is to paste your prompt here. Now, let's paste our prompt. Now, when you paste your prompt, the next thing you are going to do is to select your resolution here. We are leaving it at 9.16. Then the next thing we are going to do is to click on continue. Now, when you click on continue, this AI tool is going to generate this image for us. It's going to generate two different types of image, which we can select anyone from it. Now, as you can see, this is the image it first generated for us. Now, this is the first image it generated. As you can see, this is the image. So we can decide to save this one, or we can decide to save the second one. Anyone we want, we can decide to save it, or we can tell him to regenerate the image and it's going to regenerate the image. But for the sake of this video, I don't want to waste much of your time. Let's continue how to convert this our image to video, that dancing video you just see at the beginning of this video, any dancing video you want to generate, let me show you how you can do so. And to do this, the next thing we are going to do is to head over to TikTok again. We are going back to TikTok so that we are going to select any type of video we want this our image to dance to with the sound. Now let's go back to TikTok. Now on TikTok, we can decide to save one of these videos. We can decide to use one of these videos, or we search for any celebrity, like we search for Purple Speedy, so that we search for any of our dancing video, any style we want. Let's check our page here so that we can select any video we want, any video that will match our video. Let's watch this one. If this one will match our video. Sorry, my network is very poor. Now let's use this. No, I don't like this video. She did not dance well on this video. Let's check for another video. Let's check for another video again. Now let's work with this one. All you just have to do is just to click on this share sign, and we click on download. We click on download so that this video is going to be downloaded to our phone. Now the video is downloading already. Let's give it some minutes so that the video is going to be downloaded. The video is downloaded. The next thing we are going to do is to head over to this new AI tool which we are going to use to make our image to dance like this video. Now let's head over to this AI tool which we are going to use, and the link to this AI tool is going to be in the description of this video. It is called openart.ai, so you can access that through the link in the description of this video. Now you can just check it out. Now when you check it out, the next thing you are going to do, as you can see, when you log into this AI tool, you register, they are going to give you free credit. Yes, they are going to give you free credit. Now you are going to see a lot of things here. Now as you can see, motion scene video, you can also see it here already without me showing something. Motion scene video, you can just click on start right now and you start using the AI. Now as you can see, it is called motion scene video. So the next thing you are going to do is to upload the image. The image we generated moment ago, you just click on upload the image here. When you click on upload the image, as you can see, say select image, you click on select image, you click on upload, and when you click on upload, it's going to bring you to an interface like this. This is the image. We upload the image, and after uploading the image, the next thing we are going to do, as you can see, say add motion reference. So the next thing we are going to do is to click on select video here. So we click on upload so that we can add the video. Now we click on add video. When you click on add video, it's going to bring you to an interface like this. Now in some cases, they are going to ask you to trim the video. If the video is longer than 30 seconds, you will be asked to trim the video. So I forgot to tell you that from the beginning, but don't worry, let's try to upload the video again. As you can see, say video too long, maximum 30 seconds. Now let's go and trim this video down to 30 seconds. With our phone, you can do this with your phone gallery. Now let me head over to my phone gallery and show you how you can trim the video. Click on edit here. When you click on edit, as you can see, trimming here, we trim it to, let's say, 26 seconds. We click on save. After clicking on save, let the video save to our phone. After we save the video, then we go back to the website and we are going to upload the image again. We go back to the website again and we click on upload video. We click on upload again, and boom, this is the video. We click on done. We add the video. After adding the video, as you can see, make sure you click on keep original sound so that it will not change the sound. As you can see, you click on keep original sound. You click on keep original sound. As you can see, motion reference control, you leave it exactly. Video model, you leave it standard. Now our video is still uploading. Now our video has been uploaded successful. Now the next thing we are going to do, you can decide to add description here, or you can leave it, but for the sake of this video, we leave it because we want the videos to be the same thing with the image we uploaded. Now after you have already uploaded everything, the next thing you are going to do is to click on create. Now you see you will be charged 520 credits for you to be able to do this. Now the next thing you are going to do is just to click on create, and when you click on create, you are going to be taken to an interface like this where they will tell you to subscribe if you do not have credit. Because I've been using all my credit to generate videos. As you can see, the only credit I have left is 40 credit. But if you create a new account, they are going to give you some credit. And if you want to upgrade your account, you don't need much to upgrade your account. With $7, you can upgrade your account and you will be using it for a month. As you can see, for a monthly subscription is just $7. So you can decide to upgrade your account so that you can be using these features to be creating amazing videos like this for a month, and you'll be posting it back to back on your TikTok page, on your TikTok account, so that you'll be getting massive views, making money the way people are making money right now with these new features. You can decide to upgrade for this. They have different type of plan which you can upgrade to anyone you wish to upgrade to. You can upgrade. They have annual plan, they have monthly plan. Anyone you wish to upgrade to, you can upgrade. As you can see, their monthly plan here. You can see their annual plan here. You just click on subscribe, and when you click on subscribe, it's going to take you to where you are going to upgrade your account. Now it's going to bring you to an interface like this. Now you click on add code. If you have a code, now I'll be leaving down the code you are going to use in the description of this video, so that you also use those code, and when you use those code, you are going to get some discount. So don't forget to go and check that code. They are going to give you some discount for using my code. So don't forget to go and use my code so that you are going to receive some percentage of discount for any amount you want to purchase on this platform. Now you can use any of your payment information and start. Now, after you successfully do that, your video is going to be generated and you are going to see your video. If you find this video helpful, I want you to like this video, comment, and also share this video. And if today is the first time you are coming across to this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button so that when there's to drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. See you guys on my next video.